Hi friends, hope you guys are doing well, and from this video we are going to start a new series on Camtasia. One of my subscriber just asked me to make a series on a overall series by which we can understand the basic uses of Camtasia, and not only basic, if we know Camtasia properly we can done a very professional video editing with it. This is an awesome software. However, this is not free. You have to buy its license version, but it's also have a free version with which you can very easily create awesome looking videos. If you are looking for video editing, or if you are a YouTuber, or if you are a video editor, if you want to start your freelancing career with video editing, then this is the tool which you must need to know, all right, which you must need to learn. Okay, I personally believe Camtasia is the very first tool which you need to learn if you want to learn video editing. And after that, once you learn Camtasia, after that you can move to Adobe After Effects or Adobe Premiere Pro. I mean, whatever other advanced level video editing softwares are there, like Adobe After Effects or Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. But before you moving to this advanced level tools, first of all you should learn Camtasia. This is very easy to learn. Even if you are a completely non-technical guy, you can very easily learn Camtasia. And one more advantage of learning Camtasia is this is low system requirement software. That means you don't need very high-end computer or system to run Camtasia. If you have a normal computer, if you don't have any graphics card, or if you have low budget graphics card, then also you can very easily run Camtasia. You can edit your videos and you can render your projects very easily. And this is why I personally like Camtasia. So let's just start this course. But before starting this series, I want to tell you something. I am not so habituated in speaking English, so just bear with me. I know language can't be a barrier for if you want to learn something. I will try my best to explain everything. And also, if you have any problem to understand, if you have any doubt, you can write me, you can just shoot me a message, you can comment on the videos, and I will try to clear all the doubts. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we need to download and install Camtasia on our system. To download Camtasia, you have to go to their official website. So just open your browser and write Camtasia. Just open your browser and write Camtasia on either search bar or on address bar, and here is the link, and the first one, that is techsmith.com. This is their official website. You have to open it, and from here you can either buy Camtasia or you can go with the free trial version. Like I said before, that Camtasia is not a free software, it is a paid software. You need to buy it, or you can go with free trial version. You can learn with the trial version, and also you can produce videos with trial version. And as you know that every problem has some solution, however this is not a problem, but if you deal with this problem, I mean, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. If you deal with this free trial version problem, then you can message me. You can message me personally, and I will help you about this. All right. But for now, you can obviously go with free trial version for learning purpose. You can work with it. So to download the free trial version, you have to click on this button, and you have to choose your system type. If you have a Windows system, then you have to download the Windows version, or if you have Mac system, then you have to download the Mac version of this software. All right, so once you download the software, you have to install it on your software. The installation process is very easy. It's just like other random softwares like MS Office or other softwares which we install easily. So I am skipping the installation process because I am assuming that you already know how to install a software, how to install a normal software. And once you install, you have to open the Camtasia software, and once you open the software, you will find this. This is the Camtasia user interface. All right. As you can see, there are lots of steps. We will learn them one by one. But before that, let me give you a brief introduction about Camtasia interface. All right. So let's start from the very first panel, which is on our left hand side. That means left hand side menu panel. You can see there are lots of options: media, library, annotation, transition, behavior, etc. From here we will get all the steps which we need for video editing. We will come to this one by one, and next to it, this is media bin option. So here we need to import all our media files. Let's say you are a videographer and you record few video clips, so you can import your video clips from here, and all your imported clips will be placed here in this media bin. And not only video, you can also import musics, you can also import audio, you can also import images, everything. So all the raw materials which we need to produce the final video, those raw materials we can import here inside the media bin. And next to that, this is the project display window. You can see this big black rectangle. This is the project display window. From here we can preview our work. As we edit the video, as we animate something, or as we add some music to our video, we can preview the whole thing here. All right. So this is just like a video player. We can play the work anytime from here, and we can preview it. And next to that, this is the property window. So from here we can edit or change property of any object, like editing the font, increasing the font size, changing the font color, editing the animation type, or changing the animation speed, etc. So all we can do this from here, from this property panel. Right now it is empty, but when we will work on something, it will show us the property option. Okay. And also we can close or open this panel as per our need by clicking on this green button. If we click on this green button, it will hide the panel, and if we again click on this button, it will open up this panel. All right. And next to it, this is our timeline. Okay, so all the video editing work, I mean adding text to our video, adding music to our video, everything related to video editing, that will be done here on this timeline. Okay, and this is the playhead. We will discuss more about this later, that how we can use this playhead, and obviously we will discuss more about it later. All right, and on the above of the timeline, you will get few more options like undo or redo, or cut out something, or copy paste, etc., or split some clip, etc. You will get this option from here. And also you will get a zoom in or zoom out option. You can easily zoom in or zoom out inside your timeline. And at the very top left corner, you will get few more options like file, edit, modify, view, etc. We will learn about them one by one in our upcoming videos. And next to these options, we will get another option that is called record. With Camtasia, you can not only edit any video, but you can also record your live screen. I mean, whatever you are doing in your monitor, you can record that with Camtasia. Like if you click on this, it will bring you the live recording option. Right now I am also recording my screen with Camtasia, which you are watching right now. So let's now talk about these options. The first one is media and media bin. All right, so like I said, that in media bin you have to import all your raw materials, clips, videos, sound effects, etc. And you can import that very easily. Either you can drag something and drop here directly, or you can click on this import media button. You can import multiple video clips, you can import multiple musics, and also you can import multiple images if you want. So in this way you can import your video clips, you can import your music, sound effects, whatever, and this all will be stored inside the media bin. From here you need to add them inside the timeline. To add something in your timeline, you can just hold the video clip and you have to place it inside the timeline. Okay, if you want to add some musics, so you can, if you play this, see, you can preview your work here. Alright, we will discuss more about it later because there are lots of things we can do with Camtasia, and we will learn that one by one. And next to this you will get library option. Now what is library option? Let's say you create an animation inside your Camtasia and you want to save that animation for future use. Alright, so you can save that animation as a preset inside your Camtasia library, and you can use the same animation in some other project. Alright, so this is the purpose of library. Alright, now after that, here you will get another option that is called annotation. Now this is a very important feature of Camtasia. From here you can add useful annotations like shapes, line arts, text or blur effect, chat bubbles, everything. This kind of annotations you can add very easily from this option. All you have to do is open this annotation option, and here you will get lots of options like chat bubbles, simple text. You can edit this text, you can add arrows, you can add simple geometric shapes, you can blur or pixelate anything. Let's say you want to blur this text. You know, sometimes we need to blur up a specific part of some video. You can very easily do that with Camtasia. Just you have to go to this annotation option and then open this blur and highlight option, and here you will get an option blur. You have to hold it and now drop it on the object which you want to blur, so you can blur it very easily. Alright, so with annotations option you can add such type of annotation on your video. Okay, now the next one is transition. I hope you guys know that what is a transition. With Camtasia you can add different type of transition effects between your video clips. You can see there are lots of transition types. These are the pre-made transition types. You can choose your desired transition effect, and you can very easily add this transition effect to your video. You can preview each transition by hovering your mouse cursor over this transition template. And now next to this option you will get another option that is called behavior. Now with behavior option you can create or apply animations to your video. With Camtasia you can animate everything. I mean, with Camtasia you can animate every element. It can be a text, it can be an object. Object means these are some objects like circle, this is a text bubble, everything is an object. So with Camtasia you can animate everything. even a simple image. You can animate a simple image also. And here you can see these are the animation templates, different type of animation templates. So you will get this animation templates, and not only that, you can create your very own animation style with Camtasia. This is very easy and we will learn everything about it later. For now, you can just see that you will get different type of animation templates, pre-made animation templates, and you can very easily add this animation to your object. Let's say I want to animate this one. So all you have to do is just select your animation type. Let's say I want to add this animation. So all you have to do is hold the animation with your mouse with the left click button and drop it over the object which you want to animate. All right. So now you can see, if I play the video, you can see how easily we can animate anything inside the Camtasia. Alright, and next to it, next to this option, you will get another option that is called animation. From here, you can zoom in or zoom out in your video. Sometimes we have to zoom in some portion inside our video, or we have to zoom out something inside our video. We can do this very easily in Camtasia with this option. You can see in this way we can zoom in or zoom out inside our video. And next to the animation, we'll get another option that is called visual effect. From here you can apply drop shadow from any of the object, and also you can add border to any object. Also you can colorize any object, or you can apply some color adjustment to your video. Alright, so in this video, we just learned that how we can download and install Camtasia, how is the Camtasia user interface, how we can add or import media to our media bin, and we learn about some basic options with which we can edit our video. Now from next video, we will learn more deeply about these options. We will learn them one by one. We will see that how we can add text to our video, how we can animate them, how we can animate any object, how we can add transition effects to our video. Everything we will learn one by one. So just stay with me, keep watching. And if you have any doubt or issue regarding this video, or if you stuck somewhere, just comment on this video and I will try to clear everything. I will try to clear all your doubts. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.